Hi. Welcome to another Investor Web video. Today we'll elaborate the term assets. Assets are the economic resources owned by an individual or business entity. Assets can be tangible or intangible, and they can be short-term or long-term investments. Examples of assets include cash, stocks, bonds, real estate, jewelry, cars, antiques, equipment, and other valuable items. Assets are important for businesses to manage their financial well-being and to ensure that they have sufficient funds for future needs. They are also important for individuals to use for their retirement savings, college tuition payments, and other investments. Assets provide liquidity, allowing people and businesses to access their money when needed. Assets are also used to protect against inflation and unexpected losses. If you found the video informative, comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.